Are carrots good for your eyes? Carrots, rich in antioxidants, support eye health but don't guarantee perfect vision. A balanced diet including carrots aids in maintaining ocular wellness. The myth of carrots improving vision emerged due to their beta-carotene content. This antioxidant gets converted into vitamin A, enhancing eyesight. Vitamin A bolsters low-light vision by producing a pigment, rhodopsin, that aids sight in dim lighting. It also maintains the health of the cornea, preventing severe issues. Carrots also contain lutein, an antioxidant that may slow down age-related macular degeneration, a disease drastically impacting vision. Antioxidants generally help in offsetting cell damage. Scientific exploration into these antioxidants is ongoing. Most studies administer these antioxidants through supplements rather than carrot consumption. Adequate vitamin A intake is usually achieved through a balanced diet. Vitamin A deficiency can lead to vision loss and night blindness. However, this is only a concern if your diet lacks sufficient vitamin A. To maximize beta-carotene absorption, it's advisable to eat cooked carrots. Cooking helps your body absorb beta-carotene more efficiently than consuming raw carrots.